Now let's post the advance paid to vendor transaction SAP. For that, we will use the T code that is F-48, or else you can always use the menu part too. So what is the menu part for this? From SAP Easy Access, it is accounting, financial accounting, account payables, and then down payment, and finally double click on the down payment. When you double click on this down payment, or else when you use the transaction code that is F-48, the system will take us to this new window. This is the window for posting the down payment. Here you have to make certain entries, that is, enter the document date, posting date, company code as well as currency. Now for the field vendor, enter the vendor account number for whom we are making the payment, and for the field special indicator, enter the special GL indicator as A. Okay, now I will enter my bank account and the amount as 5,000 and I press the enter key. Once I hit the enter key, the system will navigate us to this screen wherein we have to enter the amount as well. And then after entering the amount, click on this document overview button. Here we can verify the journal entries. Okay. Here the bank account is credit because we are paying the amount. Correct, right? Here the bank account is credit because we are paying the amount, and the vendor account is debit. Got it? The bank account is credit and the vendor account is debit. Got it? Now I'll just click on the save button. So guys, this will post the vendor down payment. And now I'll go to document and I'll click on this display so that we can verify our journal entries here as well. And now just click on this general ledger view button. Yes. Now we can see the GL accounts which are being posted. Here we can see the two line of entries. One is advance to vendor account and another one is bank account. So guys, let's verify in GL entries report. For that, I will use the T code that is FBL3N. So I'll enter the T code as /OFBL3N and I'll hit enter. And here I will select the GL account as vendor advance GL account. And here I'll enter my company code and I'll select all items and I'll finally click on this execute button. Okay. Now, under the vendor advance account, we can see our recent down payment of 5,000 rupees. Correct, right? Under this vendor advance account, what we can see is we can see our advance down payment of 5,000 rupees. And now, let's check the posting in vendor account report. For that, I'll use the T code FBL1N. So, I'll enter the T code as /OFBL1N in the command field and I'll hit enter. Now, if I simply enter my vendor number, company code and select all items and I'll click on the execute button like we do always, yes, what we can see? What is here? We do not see any entries of previous posting. Correct, right? Come just one step back, and what I'll do is I will select the special GL transactions checkbox and then I'll click on this execute button. And now we can view the posting which we have just created. And also observe the document type, it is KZ. What is the document type here? It is KZ. Just like the customer down payment, vendor down payment is also a special GL transaction. Remember this, okay? So guys, before posting the next transaction, what I'll do is I'll just go back to FBL3N report and the other GL account, that is account payable GL account, and I'll just keep it open. Now it's ready. What we have to do, we have to post the invoice. For that, I'll just switch to the screen where I posted the vendor down payment. I'll just enter /n in the command field and I'll press enter. Yes, this will take me to SAP Easy Access screen, and here I'll double click on F-43, which is under document entry. As you already know about posting, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and create an invoice for the vendor Vodafone, let's say with the amount of 50,000. Yes, we can verify the entries in the screen. You're right, we can verify the entries in the screen. That is vendor account credit and credit purchase account as debit. Now what I'll do, I'll just save the changes. For that, I'll save this document. Now go to document and click on display. When I click on display, we can view the document posting. Now, after posting the invoice, I'll just switch to FBL3 and screen. Okay. From here, I go to list and click on refresh. Yes, we can now see the 50,000 amount in account payables account. Correct, right? We can see that 50,000 rupees of amount in the account payables account. Now, I'll just switch back to FBL1 and screen, wherein I'll go to list and click on refresh. Yes, we can also observe here as well, that is new invoice posting of 50,000. Got it? Great. So the next activity is transfer the special GL posting to normal GL. To do that, what I'll do is I'll just switch to the screen where I posted the invoice, and then I'll enter /n in the command field and I press enter, so that I can go back to the SAP Easy Access screen. So from this SAP Easy Access screen, I'll go to accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry, and here I'll select this down payment, and finally I'll double click on clearing. What it is, I'll double click on clearing, or else you can always use the transaction code, that is F-54. Enter the document date, posting date, as well as the vendor account number. And for the invoice reference field, what we have to do is we need to mention the vendor invoice document for which we want to apply the advance payment. As of now, the system has automatically picked the document as I had created just now. If it doesn't pick up, don't worry, just you need to enter the invoice. You can get this invoice number from the vendor report transaction, that is by using the transaction code FBL1N. Okay? Yes. See here, if I use this transaction code FBL1N, in this screen, you can see the invoice number. Okay, switching back to this window, what I'll do is here I'll enter the invoice number and then I'll click on process down payments button. When I click on this process down payments button, the system will navigate us to the new window, wherein in this screen, we have to double click on this transfer posting field. What we have to do? We have to double click on this transfer posting field, and then the amount value will be populated automatically. After that, I'll just click on the save button. This time, we are redirected to the document overview screen. It looks like we are missing an entry for a field. Yes, see here, as you can see the text in the blue color, that means incomplete. Yes, it means incomplete. So what we have to do is we will just double click on the second line and this will take us to the entry which needs to be done. Okay. The text field is mandatory. Since this is a IDES server, I am getting this as mandatory. So I will maintain the text as test document and again, I will click on the save button. Yes, now the document is posted. That is what we have done. We have transferred the posting from special GL account to normal GL account. Now, I will switch to the transaction, that is FBL3 in screen. Here, I'll go to list and click on refresh. Yes, you can see that the posting under the vendor down payment has been changed to cleared and a new posting has been created under vendor account payable GL account for the amount of 5,000 with the document type clear. So, the total amount under vendor account payable has been changed now to 45,000. Now, I'll switch to FBL1 and screen. Here, before I refresh the screen, observe the document type of vendor down payment document. What it is? It is KZ. So what is the document type? It is KZ. Now go to list and click on refresh. Here we can see that the document type of vendor down payment transaction has been changed. What does it mean? It means the posting which was made to special GL account has been transferred to normal GL account. What does it mean? The posting which was made to special GL account has been transferred to normal GL account. Now, let's post the outgoing payments to vendor for the amount of 45,000, that is by deducting 5,000 from 50,000. For that, what I'll do is, I will switch to the screen where we posted the vendor down payment. I'll just enter the /n in the command field and I hit enter so that I can go to the SAP Easy Access screen. So from here, that is from SAP Easy Access screen, I will expand the outgoing payments. Okay, I'll expand the outgoing payments and then I will double click on this F-53, that is post. Here in this screen, we have to make certain entries, that is first enter the document date and then the posting date. And also you have to enter the bank account as well as the amount. Here I will enter the amount as 45,000 and then I will enter the vendor account number. Once I finish with these entries, what I'll do is I'll just click on the process open items button. Yes, now everything is looking good. Yes, everything is looking good. So what I'll do, I'll just save the changes. For that, I'll just click on the save button. So guys, now the payment is cleared. Let's verify it by seeing it in FBL1N report. For that, I'll just switch to my FBL1N report screen. There I'll go to list and click on refresh. Yes, the open line items related to our invoice posting of 50,000 is cleared. Even if we check in FBL3N, all the entries related to 50,000 is now cleared. So guys, I hope you are now clear with the concept of vendor down payment.